What's up, Chuckle Champs? Welcome to my YouTube channel, your VIP pass to the funniest construction fails on the internet. We've hunted high and low to find clips so ridiculous you'll be laughing louder than a bulldozer at full tilt. From workers tripping over their own dreams to tools with a sense of humor, we've got it all. New videos every day, so hit subscribe, share your own crazy stories, and let's get this comedy site rocking. Hey, you Chuckle Crusaders! So tell me, didn't those construction moments have you in stitches? Were my worksite jesters making you howl so loud you startled your neighbors? Don't bolt yet! The next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement truck auditioning for a comedy special. Expect epic mishaps and tools with a flair for the dramatic. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Subscribe, share your reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing. Time to sign off? If you're not giggling, you're made of stone. Thanks for tuning in. 7 p.m. tomorrow for more chaos. Later.